everyone, welcome to Bring On Life. I am Hazel and today I'll be sharing to you a full body exercise perfect to those who want to work out from home and also to those who want to start their workout but don't know how to do it. It's a very quick one, guys. It's only 12 minutes. It has 5 sets. Every set has 4 exercises and a 30-second rest. So if you want to have a little bit of a stretch away from your computer or if you want to have a little bit of a break, please feel free to join me. There is no equipment needed at all, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or suggestions, comment down below. Let's do it! The first exercise is jumping jacks. Make sure to slightly bend your knees as you jump into the air. Take your time if you have never tried this move before. Just take it easy, but don't stop. Next is mountain climbers. Begin in a push-up position on the hands and toes. Make sure your abs are engaged and your back is straight. Now we're back to jumping jacks. If you are running out of breath, just move slowly and feel your muscles stretch. The last exercise for the first set is mountain climbers. Bring it on, guys! Just keep pushing. Now rest up a bit. It's gonna be a short break, guys. Drink some water and we'll jump straight into it. Alright, so let's start this set with some squats. As you sit into a squat position, keep your heels and toes on the ground, chest up, and shoulders back.
Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy.
Let's get ready for some jump squats. Squat as low as possible and jump up as high as you can. Make sure to land with soft knees, back into your squat, and then repeat.
Let her do anything, let her play me. She makes me go another round. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you this.
Now let's move to a plank position and slowly raise your right leg. This exercise is really good for you as this will strengthen and protect your lower back at the same time. This time, let's switch to your left leg. Don't forget to always engage your core. This is really, really good for you guys.
Me down, yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do.
Well done, guys! You have just completed the second set. Now let's have another quick break and get ready for the next set. Next is traditional push-ups. Make sure that your back is straight and your core is engaged. Your butt should be down and not lifted. Your body should also form a straight line. If this is too difficult for you guys, you can definitely switch to knee push-ups. Next, we've got burpees. Yay! This is one of the most effective and crazy challenging exercise out there. If this is too difficult for you guys, you can try moving into a plank position by stepping rather than jumping your feet behind you. The next exercise is top to shoulder planks. Keep your abs in tight and prevent your body from swaying as you lift one arm, bent at the elbow, and cross your hand to your opposite shoulder. Now let's get your heart pumping by doing some plank jacks. Throughout the exercise, be careful not to raise or lower your hips out of the straight line position. I hope everyone is doing well there. If you're running out of breath, just take it slowly but don't stop. And that ends our third set. Now let's have a little bit of a break, guys. Make sure you are hydrated and conditioned for the next set. Next up is up-down planks. Make sure you engage your glutes, tighten your core, and keep your head, neck, and spine aligned. This exercise is really good for you guys as it strengthens and tones your core, glutes, arms, wrists, and shoulders. And now let's lie flat on the floor and do some bicycle crunches. This is excellent for activating your upper abdominal muscle. Besides from working your abs, you will also be toning your thighs as both your hamstrings and quads will be involved in this exercise.
Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me.
Now stay on the floor as we're about to switch to leg raises. Move your legs slowly and make sure your legs don't touch the ground. If you are spending a lot of time in front of your computer, this exercise is really good for you as it improves the strength and flexibility of your hips and your lower back.
Doing to me now. You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way.
And for the last exercise before the quick rest, we are going to do a 30-second plank. Make sure to bend your elbows and rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands.
Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Lady.
You have done such a great job, guys. There is one more set left and we are good to go.
Make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you.
Next, we've got squats with opposite knee touches. For this exercise, make sure to engage your core and put your body weight in heels.
Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me.
And now let's do some lunges with right knee raise. This might look easy for you guys, but this is actually quite tricky. So, keep your core tight and chest upright. Step backwards with your right leg and lower yourself until your knee is just above the ground.
Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling.
Then let's switch to lunges with your left knee raise. This is a great exercise to improve your core stability, better balance, and it will surely strengthen your leg. Woohoo! And now we are on to our last exercise. So, let's move to assisted asymmetric knee push-ups. This is a modified version of a regular knee push-up. This exercise will strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms. Well done, guys! I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to see you on my next video. Stay safe, everyone!